I think there are some advantages of using social networking sites rather than meeting them face to face is that we can communicate with them regardless of geography. Because of the internet, we can use some social media such as Facebook, mm, Yellow Messenger to chat with them, chat to them, and make a video call to talk about your life. Um, Besides, mm, you can save the, you can save the time save the time from using social network sites. For for example, you have to set an appointment on your real life uh, because you only your you can connect to them immediately by using the social media.